So it's a normal distribution, right? Which looks like this. And we start off at 4.2, that's the average. And then there's a standard deviation of 0.6. So our standard deviation is equal to 0.6. And they're saying if it's above 5, that's considered extra large. So what are the chances that it's in this area here? So go to main, go to interactive distribution. It is a continuous distribution, and we're wanting to find the normal PDF. Our average value is, interactive normal CDF. A lower value here is going to be 5 kilos. The upper value is going to be infinity, and you can find infinity in math too. Our standard deviation is 0.6, right? And our weight here is 4.2. So if you do that, that gives us a value. So really, just write that down into your question here. So norm CDF, write the function that you're using. And so it's like 5, infinity, 0.6, and 4.2. And that's equal to 0.091. And we can just times this by 100 and put it in decimal, so life's a bit easier. And we can say the probability. All right, like another way to write this, by the way, is to say that the probability of x being a greater than or equal to 5 is equal to, and then that 9.12%. Okay, tell the marker you rounded to 3 significant figures, and they'll be pretty happy about that. So you just have to maybe let the marker know as well if you're wanting to make sure you get all the marks that let x be the normal distribution. Okay, that's all you need to do. So it's really just a calculator question. I find drawing out the bell curve are really helpful. Now, if you want more questions like this, I've got heaps of them on my website, and they've all got work solutions as well as videos, so you can get really good marks if you do them all. If you have any other questions, you can reach out. I'd be happy to help. We do offer tutoring services if you need as well.